Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about spring trends. As a makeup artist, I think it's super important to be on top of trends, see what is new, what people may want, and I think it's just fun to kind of try out new things and do something different from the ordinary. So the first trend we're going to talk about is bold lips and dewy skin. So no more matte skin, everything is about that glow. And I think it's really fun to kind of dress up a look with any pop of color. Think kind of like pops of color, not necessarily where they're bold in a sense dark, but just bright, bold, and fun. And let the bold lip be the center of attention. The next trend we're going to talk about is pastel eyes. So I chose to do a blue pastel eyeshadow, but lavender is really in as well. And I think that this should also be kind of simple. You could totally add just one color on the eye. I think it looks beautiful. So put it on your lid as well as blend into your crease. And then pair it with a nice lip color as well. Don't do anything too bright, but something that matches the pastel eyeshadow. So for blue, I think like a pink is nice, a light pink. And if you choose lavender, I think pink will look nice as well. But I also think like a peachy tone would look great. The third spring makeup trend we're going to talk about today is bold fun liner, so colored liner. I chose blue, but again you could choose a red, you could choose a pink, you can choose a lavender, a purple, something that's fun and different than the typical brown and black liner. And I chose to do a smudgier one because I feel like precision sometimes is old and not as fun. I think a smoky liner always kind of looks softer. It's a little bit more wearable than having like this bold blue liner. But I think you could also make it the focus so you don't really have to add much to the eyes. Just some mascara and you're ready to go. Of course, pair the bold liner with a neutral toned lip color as well. You don't want too bright colors on your face, so make one the focus. So bold lip or bold liner. The fourth makeup trend is monochromatic makeup look, specifically pink. Pink tones are totally in and they are my favorite. I think they always look soft. I just think it's honestly my favorite trend forever. I think it's super simple as well because you're choosing the same tones for the eyes, the lips, and the blush color. So you can totally do this with one product as well. I think it's a great way to use a cream blush, for example, where you can apply it on the lips, the eyes, and the cheeks, and you're ready to go. The last spring makeup trend for 2019 is a bronze look. So bronzy eyes, a bronze face. I don't think you could go wrong with this look because it's always trendy. It works for so many different skin tones. It works for so many different eye colors and eye shapes, and I think that it's something that can suit a lot of you guys. So I'm curious to know which trend for spring 2019 is your favorite. Personally, I think my favorite is the pastel eyeshadow look, but I think it's just something totally fun and different. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys would wear or what you just like the most. I'm super excited to see what you guys choose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope you try one of these looks out. If you do, please tag me. I would love to see what you guys create. For all of these looks that I showed you as well, I did make a makeup tutorial as well, so if you want to check out each one or one of them or maybe a few, then I will leave down the links down below in the description box so you can go right to it. I try to make my tutorials as simple as possible so you guys can recreate them, and I try to give you tips and tricks as well during the process. As always, if you guys liked this type of video, then please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to be updated when I upload, then click the little bell notification as well. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Be creative, have fun, and just do something different for your makeup and see how you like it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.